Hi guys, today let's make this delicious chicken gizzard, and in this video I'll be serving it with rice. You can serve it with any food that you like. So first thing, you need to defrost your gizzard. So I just got this straight from the So defrost it, and then after that wash it. Make sure you wash it well. Pour the water and then put it in your saucepan and then heat your pan. So after that I'll add salt and I'll cover it to cook while I cut some garlic. Mix it in between and then add the garlic, cover it and let it cook. Cook until the water is fully drained. Once the water is drained, mix it up and add cooking oil. Make sure your onions are ready, so I'll add my onions. And also green pepper if you have. Mix it up and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Mix it again. After that, add tomatoes, mix it together, cover it and let it cook until the tomatoes are ready. Keep mixing in between. Once the tomatoes are ready, you can add some black pepper and some spices. I'm adding curry and then royco. Mix it well. Thereafter, add some water. Add a desirable size and let it cook. After it has cooked, you can see now our soup is ready, our sauce is ready, and it's thick and delicious. Then you can take it off. After that, you can cook your food that you're going to eat it with. In this case, I'll just cook rice. Add some oil and then cook some rice. So for the rice, add a number of glasses you want and then add water and just let it cook in low heat. And once the rice is ready, you can serve it. As you can see, after that, we also have to serve our gizzard. And this is our final product. So serve a desirable size. You can add greens alongside it, avocado alongside it, and then just enjoy your meal. Thank you so much guys for watching, and this is basically a simple gizzard stew recipe that you can try at home if you have some chicken gizzard. And I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you enjoyed this one. Bye.